So, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and we're going to be nuking war servers. Yeah, let me show you what I mean by that real quick. Basically, they added these stash machines and these like little saving machines, and like, I think like 3 updates ago, and it basically allows you to- My controller! It allows you to save goop inventions, so guess what I saved? Nuke. And you want to know something that goes with it? I have no idea why it's called a boxlet. I didn't name it. But yeah, look, this doesn't look like a bomber plane, but it works like one. You're gonna be going like this. Actually, you're gonna be like, I'm gonna go like this, and then look at the chaos it would cause. Oh damn! So yeah. Let's join a war server. Let's try War 1. War. Okay. Oh my god! What is going on? So I have no idea what just happened in that lobby. War 3. What is that? Okay.
No, nobody joined war.
What the hell's going on with these codes, dude? Just let me join one. What? What the?
Attleboro.
What the heck?
Guys.
Okay. Let's try joining the war server again. Okay, you know what? I'm just I'm gonna do a transition to the war server. So yeah, and okay.
Oh my.
Loki, you have to go mining.
Got our bomb.
Actually, good.
Okay,
What
follow me.
just happened? I just got. Oh, why is it so loud? Okay, let's try the war server once again. My game is laggy as hell. Oh. What is... Yeah, don't mind if I do. What the? Yeah, don't mind if I do. And I'm out. Why is it so hard to move? Just the damn... Okay. It doesn't look like a plane that works. Exactly like one as I downloaded it. Let me grab it! Come on, hold on. So I turned the volume down so you can hear me more. So yeah, we're gonna head to stage now. Can we fit? No, we can't fit. And I also saw somebody who had a bomb really identical to mine.
She's just a girl.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be bombing this room. Let's go. We're here. We're gonna be bombing this little dude over here. Just watch the chaos that's gonna unfold over it. Oh my god! Did he get him? How the hell did I not kill you? What? That don't make no sense. Yeah, he got killed. Okay. Attempt 2.
Oh no!
Oh no, I can't, I'm not back. Oh my! What? I'm surprised that didn't kill anybody. What? So 10-3. I found my target. I found a target. Target spotted. Run. Oh. Yeah. Yep. We definitely got him.
He was
I
red
just got
watch.
nuked. Okay, so we're gonna make a
KJ, everyone
horrendous
spread the word.
contraption
KJ is now the best.
Yeah, kill everybody.
Freak that little dumb RXM.
Yeah, saying kill could get your mic banned in this game apparently, or die. I don't know why.
Who gonna do anything? KJ. Who gonna do anything? KJ.
Okay, let's build this in a private server, actually. So yeah, I'm using code Govga. Yeah, Govga is such a fire code name, dude. Govga. Now, I'm only going to make this base, so I'm probably going to accidentally make this wrong some way or somehow. But I'm going to see if this works. Oh, yeah, it works. Yep, it definitely works. So yeah, what we're gonna want to do is just attach a bunch of goop to the RPG. Just gonna attach a bunch of RPG ammo to the RPG using goop. And we have to attach it like this, close to the RPG, or else it's not gonna like load. It's not gonna like load the ammo. I've seen some people make horrendous contraptions using goop. Like this one, for example. Brother, what are the okay, no, I'm just gonna skip to when I have it fully made. Actually, I'm just gonna do something cool. Hold on, damn it. Oh. What? Why does it? Oh. What the? Oh, what? Okay, so here's how it's looking. I think I'm gonna need to add a lot more. Like a lot more RPG ammo. Wait, actually, I'm just gonna add like one more piece of RPG ammo. Yep. Okay, it's time to save this bad boy. It's so heavy I can barely move it to the goop saving machine. Okay, I'm finally here. So I have to delete one thing. Boxley. It's time for you to go, Boxley. RPG rocket. RPG rocket. And that's quite hefty price, but compared to... Wait, these are almost the same. Huh. This one? Yeah, it's not really powerful. Even though it cost a bunch of money. So now that we have this saved, let's test it. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Nah, bro, we about to be cooking people with this, dude. Okay, let's join a war server.
You better come outside
so
this zone and look up in the air. Let me look up in the air.
There's nothing in there.
Okay, that, yeah, there
We got today's Taco Tuesday! It's Taco Tuesday!
What is going
It's
on?
Taco Tuesday!
What
is
it is Tuesday. It is Tuesday.
Wait, bro.
Oh my,
Yeah, can you give
look
me
at
one of
this.
those?
Hey, bro, guess what? Kaboom! That guy's dead. Oh, God.
Yo, wait a second.
Yo,
Wait, how did you build this?
Yo, who took?
Where's
Oh,
he
it's
at,
just gonna
yo?
be a money giveaway. Buddy,
Yo,
you're
bro!
not that guy.
I can do a money giveaway, but I'm not doing it anymore.
Nah, I'm not that guy.
Come
Dude, you want some money bags? I probably sold my money bags.
Oh, come on!
Here's how I do a money giveaway.
Okay, so
I'm going in the lake to
let's
go.
spawn.
I'm not doing a money giveaway
Let's
anymore,
spawn
guys.
two of them in and
What
I'm
we're
gonna do a boom party.
so we can make up the big.
Freedom.
What the? And I thought mine was good. Damn.
W boom boom party.
What is that?
Yo, whoever the moderator is, can you give us some good stuff, please?
Yeah,
this is gonna take a while.
They got
Guys, I kind of made a crucial mistake.
Please don't stealth or anything.
This isn't a war code. I mean,
Yo,
if it
can
isn't a
someone
war
give me
code.
one of the
Boom, boom. Anyways, let's actually join a war code.
I need it to be like
I swear I
empty.
joined the
I need
war
an
code.
empty OP
Wait,
backpack.
that's weird. War. What? What? I already had a code typed in. War 7. What the hell is lagging the game out?
your grandma is.
Let's try War 4. Okay. War 5? Okay, it's full. War. Are you kidding me? War 1. Full. War 6. Bruh! Why are all the war codes full? 9? War 9? What? How? How? I just... Uh-huh?
That's
Where's my comrade? Actually, I'm gonna set one and I'm coming to war.
This is a... Okay, it's a clean code.
You guys just made some money.
Okay, and transition to stage 5.
I dare you to explode that right now.
What?
Go to stage 3 and explode my friend. That's your mission.
Yo, could you give me a ride to stage 5? Real quick.
On.
Thank you. Please. Thank you. It's time for the boom boom.
Explode him, boy.
What the hell? We're gonna spawn another one in.
Guys, McDonald's is officially open.
Oh, I love McDonald's. You wanna know something amazing?
I don't care about you. I'm not gonna join the
You
no.
just nuked me and I didn't die.
Oh dear, twice in this room.
You can't catch me. I'm not gonna. McDonald's is open.
None of them died. How? How is that physically possible?
I think this
Okay,
war
it's
server
10
has PvP
3.
off. No PvP off. That's good for a shot.
If it's no PvP, then how did I just get hurt by my own rockets?
I don't know.
What? Now watch me nuke that. Firework. Bro, why the hell does it say it's occupied? It's not. There's nothing on the platform. What? Like, do I have to put something on there first?
I'm back.
What the?
Where's everybody?
Dude, it says this thing's occupied, and if I throw a snowball at it, it just...
No, you need to quit your game. It's not occupied for me.
What?
Where is everybody?
Huh. Guys, I tried going back to spawn using the stash dimension,
This
but
code
you are hella
PvP.
welcome. Who the hell just...
No. Why is it code 4-8? It's not PvP.
Dude, there's no way to escape. Wait a second. Yo, whoever built the jail cell on the on the top of the spawn area, it kind of sucks. I just crawled underneath it. What the? Huh. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my first Animal Company video. And as you can see, it does take a bit of time to upload videos. I used to be uploading every day. That's just a rabbit! Anyways, bye. Like and subscribe.